How to download all photos from Google Drive link on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Drive application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Files. You can view all your Drive folders over here. Open any folder. Now, tap and hold a file from here to select. After that, select all the files in this folder as well. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And then, tap on Download. You have now successfully downloaded your photos to your phone. Now, go back and open up Photos. You will find the photos you just downloaded over here. Following these steps, you can easily download all photos from Google Drive link on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.